What if we could eliminate genetic diseases before a child is even born? Sounds like a dream, right? But what are the ethical implications of such a power? Welcome to the world of gene editing, where the revolutionary CRISPR technology resides. It's a realm where we can tweak the very blueprint of life, potentially curing genetic diseases. Imagine a future free from the shackles of genetic disorders, but with great power comes great responsibility. This is not just a scientific question, but a deeply ethical one. In 2018, the world was stunned when Chinese scientist He Jiankui announced that he had created the world's first genetically edited babies using CRISPR technology. Picture this. He's experiment involved altering the DNA of embryos to make them resistant to HIV, the virus causing AIDS. The spotlight was not only on the groundbreaking potential of this technology, but also on He's approach to the experiment. It was shrouded in a cloak of secrecy, with a glaring lack of transparency and proper oversight. Questions arose about whether the parents who took part in this experiment were fully informed, or whether they had been pressured into participating. The world was left in a state of shock and bewilderment, with the scientific community questioning the ethical boundaries that had been crossed. This announcement sparked a firestorm of controversy, with scientists and bioethicists from around the world voicing their concerns. The international scientific community was quick to condemn He's experiment, calling for stricter regulations and guidelines for gene editing in humans. Indeed, the outcry was immediate and far-reaching. Scientists around the globe voiced their concerns, pointing to the potential unforeseen and harmful consequences of gene editing. They noted that while we have made strides in understanding the human genome, we are still in the early stages of fully grasping the complexities of genetic interactions and the potential ripple effects of altering a single gene. One of the key issues raised was the lack of established ethical guidelines. This experiment seemed to bypass the traditional checks and balances in scientific research. This raised significant questions about the transparency of the process and whether the parents involved had been fully informed about the potential risks. The unknown long-term effects of CRISPR technology also came under scrutiny. The technology is still relatively new, and we have yet to understand its full impact, especially when applied to human beings. This makes it particularly risky to use in creating genetically edited babies, as the consequences may only become apparent years or even generations down the line. The international outcry has spurred discussions about the need for global guidelines and regulations for the use of gene editing technologies in humans. It's clear that as we continue to unlock the potential of our own genetic code, we need to tread carefully. As we continue to explore the potential of CRISPR technology, it is crucial that we do so responsibly and ethically. The future of gene editing is filled with potential, but also with significant ethical questions. This is a call to delve deeper, to educate yourself about CRISPR technology and the profound benefits and risks it holds. Explore the ethical dilemmas that come with such power. Be informed and be ready for the discussions that lie ahead. The world needs your voice, your perspective. Join the conversation. Engage in discussions about the ethical implications of gene editing, because the future of our species could very well depend on it.